So I found the video that I want to download. Here it is in YouTube. And then the first way is just to go up to the address bar up here and just put SS in after before the YouTube and hit enter. And that's going to take you over here to this website, savefrom.net. Now there's a bunch of advertising and all this stuff that's tempting you to install things. You don't need to do any of that. You just need to go down to here where the download thing is and choose your size of video. Now I'm going to go for 720p. That's the dimensions of the video I'm going to download. That's going to do what I need it to do, and I need the audio from it. As you can see down here, I could go 1080p, which is obviously a bit wider, so a bit bigger video, but I'm going to not be able to take the audio, so I could take the audio separately and add it. So choose the option that you want to do. Remember that your video, when you edit them together, is only going to be able to be as big as the smallest video file that you have. So if I'm going to go 720p, I'm locked into 720p. Anyway, I click on the format and it's downloading already. Okay? And now that's completed, so it's downloaded here. So I can just click on here and find out where it is. So the best way to do that is to show in folder. If you haven't changed it, it's going to go to your default downloads folder. And there it is. You can move it into a folder on your desktop ready to work with. Now here's a second method, because these tools obviously, what they're trying to do, these websites, is they're trying to get adverts to you and get you to install bits of software, and they're tempting you to do that by offering this possibility of downloading from YouTube. Now that means some of these websites come into existence and go away quite often, so just be aware that maybe that website that I just showed you might stop working in a little bit and you'll need to find another way to do it. Here's another site that you can do the same kind of thing with, so I'm sure they'll always appear. This is keepvid.com and it has a search box down here that looks like any other search box, and so what you need to do is paste in the link from YouTube of the video you want to download. You hit the download button. Don't click on any of these adverts because they're only going to try and install things on your computer that you probably don't want. And then what that's going to do is prepare that to be able to be downloaded. So if I scroll down here, this is again all those same options. Now this works a little differently because if I click this, it's going to give me a message. If I want this 720p one, I can click it and it's downloading there. The other thing that you can always do, obviously, is right-click and go Save Link As. So that's the second method for getting your videos from YouTube. Just as a little end note to this, do remember that things on YouTube are somebody's intellectual property rights. So you need to be aware that if you're using video clips from YouTube, you need to be aware of, are you allowed to use them and what are you allowed to use them for? And that's going to vary with all different types of videos. So do make sure that you think about that before you start to publish other people's video work.